Hello student, here we will discuss the coordination, transition, redox, balancing, everything. First we will do coordination. So coordination compound here, this is hexacyanoferrite ion, and its salt will be potassium hexacyanoferrate. Ferrate 2, valency of Fe is a oxidation state here, iron is in 2 oxidation state. Okay, so this is called potassium hexacyanoferrate, and since it is a negative ion, that is why it iron is ended with ferrate. Okay, ferrum is the name of iron. So ferrate 2 here, this is the same compound, only thing I have written counter ion also along with the complex ion. Here only complex ion, here counter ion, and including complex ion. So this is carrying 4 negative charge, so 4 of K positive, because K is having 1 positive charge. 4 times 1 is plus 4. Now K3 efficiency 6. This is potassium hexacyanoferrate. Same name, only oxidation number is changed here. Here it is 3. Iron is in 3 oxidation state. Okay. Now Fe3, FeCN6 whole twice. Here we will discuss here. Fe3, FeCN6 whole twice. This is iron 3 hexacyanoferrate 2. Iron 3 hexacyanoferrate 2. This is Turnbull's blue. Where how it is formed? When Fe2 positive, thrice of Fe2 positive react with hexacyanoferrate. This is ferricyanide. So hexacyanoferrate 3. Okay, this is hexacyanoferrate 3. Remember this thing. So here hexacyanoferrate 3 ion. So it will react with Fe2 positive. So we will get Turnbull's blue color compound. Fe3, FeCN6 whole twice. Remember this. Now FeCN6 within bracket, and this is complex ion, and here 2. So this is Prussian blue. How it is obtained? When Fe3 positive react with ferrocyanate. See, Fe3 positive, here iron is 2, outside counter this iron is plus 3. Here outside iron which is we are adding, it is plus 2. And here this complex ion is carrying minus 3 charge. Okay, because it is having plus 3, so it is carrying minus 1 into 6. So it is having minus 3 charge. Here it is having minus 4. It means iron is in plus 2 oxidation state. So here ferricyanide, here ferrocyanide. So here we'll get Prussian blue color. Okay, now Fe3 positive ion react with NH4SCN, it will give you red PPT. Very important reactions we are doing. Okay, and this is red PPT because of iron thiocyanate. Okay, and this is Prussian blue iron hexacyanoferrate 2. Iron 3 hexacyanide. This is iron 3 first.